cross it. Even who understand it. How this a company life? This is Spring Village. This is St. Catherine. Yeah, that is a river. But the river become two rivers. Where is it? Nobody can cross it, chat. Even who understand it. Yo, it's terribly youth. Bumbo clear. Chat, nobody. Chat. Bumbo clear. Guys, you don't see what go on.
Bumbo clear.
Messi is starting to reach it in the dog.
The river gets so full up.
But brother, you can't sleep in the Messi.
Eh?
Don't like your blood clot down there.
So what? Very smooth, you know.
Yeah, go to us. Yeah, Jordan, look a bit.
Just want to see blood clot. Want to see a plant tree. Hey, just make any blood clot farm tree then drop them. So make sure I the cutlass. I'm ready. Then get fucked them as a premium. Blood clot, got me ready. Shut down to blood clot.
Blood clot, Messi. A serious ball game this, you know. You remember that, sir? We used to walk there, you know. The whole light gone.
I just see everybody in blue, you know.
Yeah, this.
Right, this everybody in blue.
Shut to remember you saw me used to swim? Right next to that tree there. Right next to that tree there we used to swim. The whole of this are gone. The whole of this are chop off. The whole of it chop off.
We've already sloped on the
water never had to come behind the tree.
Remember
all of this are land.
We two. Water never had to come. We two, you know. So that means, remember, so one big stone somewhere they turn up on the
whole place a flood out there. And that's why it looks so. See it come over one look at the limb.
Yeah.
And the big stone. The whole of this flood should wash your car, messy man. Can remember the big stone high.
Big stone are blessed here. But the whole of this are gone. What's it? Man, I when I construction man in the gas, you know what?
Which construction man?
Remember bridge of fix?
Blood clear river dig off that messy. There's big up yourself, thanks you Anna. You're gonna need it. Messi right now how big is a lion who want big final dark amount. I think we are mash up for we.
So they must see blood clot situation and not see the lion. A big is a big fan.
True thing. Makes sense to big for nothing dark. Okay,
you want to see situation. You don't want no more improvements.
Bumbo clot. And it's time just dog. Yo, this a no normal youth. Yo, me not lie. Me really believe. Yo, where are you? Scheme where I go back. Yo, Carl. Come in, Carl. No, nobody to help. Nobody to the rescue. Carl, jump down in that scheme. Carl. Be a thing, Carl, I go out with. Bumbo clot, touch up. Private property, wash away. No water property. Bumbo clot. Why? Chat, beg you something, chat, we're gonna need it. Chat, we need help, chat. Chat, we need help. Bumbo clot, run there, over this in the dark, and it's normal. Bumbo clot. Yo. Just link up back there. We're partners! Father, I'm going to upload clad storm. Boom.
Over there in a dig way too? Okay. Yeah, man.
And then the bank, this one now, I go back in the water. The pile alone can't carry out all of the water.
Johnny.
And the whole power dig them out for something. Because right now, I back here, they full of water.
Alright, let's hope for the best.
So, I don't know where the water here come from, basically.
This water?
Yeah.
It at the river, it undermine underneath it. When you go up there, so you see the earth, it a pulp up through an area there. So sooner or later, what it go do? It will just wash off the whole of that big piece there.
Okay.
When you go out to spot the play field out of school,
Yeah.
the water undermine and a pulp up out of one area and a come round through in here. So what is happening? If it continue and soak, it will shell off the whole of this. So. Yeah. So that is what's happening right now.
Okay, because I said, over school dry now, when the school and dry, the water dry.
Yeah.
So,
it a dry a little bit now. Because you can see say, even Island River no start going with nothing yet, you know. And you know the two of them come merge together. So when the two of them merge together, you know, say one different something that. Yeah. So that we are praying for see. Boy, I don't know. I want it to calm down. Because I couldn't stand the losses when I see my brothers and sisters I got face right now. It's terrible, man. Yes, sir. So, we just have to circle the community and show them what's happening. Yeah, man. Carry a shit off in the water and dry them off, dry it, come out there, so. I try to walk and show you something. Yeah, the botanical garden. I am on the back end of the botanical garden. The offspring of the first breadfruit tree, you can see it right there. This botanical garden is the first where the first breadfruit tree was planted in the island by Captain Bligh. And as you can see, the palm tree, the royal touch palm, the silver touch palm. Some of the names I don't really know of the trees that are in there, but it's all a lot of Asian trees inside this botanical garden in Bath community. So I'm just giving you a view. I'm just giving you a view. Yeah. So all I hear is where the water is in danger. All of this is in danger. Who knows? Who knows? And then, right where I'm standing here is not even safe when the water does come. Because this is where, you see? That is the back of the school where the shelter is and there's the water. So the water is kind of undermining. So all of this little lot here will be dangerous. This is the Bath police station right here on this little ridge. The Bath police station right here on this little ridge, right beside the botanical garden. It is not all gone as yet. I'm praying that it just make a change and save the community. Look at that tree. I forgot the name of this tree, you know. But this is the botanical garden. And we are in between it and the police station. Trying to give you a little hint of how the community is situated. Please tap up the screen, people. Let people see what is happening in Bath community. Please. Please, tap up the screen. Share the live. Share the live. That is the fountain area. I'm back on the community side now. Police are walking the street. Make sure everything is alright. Trying to keep the peace and keep the people safe. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, what's happening? Yeah, look. You go by the
yeah,
down there yet?
Yeah, I'm trying to make some communication. You know, there's not much can be
Well, the
done,
people,
but
it's luckily, it's like daytime now.
Attend to the church, so then they're going to shelter.
Yeah.
And if no one could try out to look at some money on this the cook the concession here can come to
Yeah, the cooking. So you have to find a way how to get food to them. You can put on two little pot over there.
That you're doing that you're going to have some more free. Save them.
Well, you can check June. I'll check Biggs or somebody. Alright, you do your best, you know. So, you know what I mean, you understand that.
Can't put no more rain, see, let's say.
But we don't know, to the news we are getting, it's like, it's still not hit Jamaica yet.
Well, what we are also hoping is that it no make it turn.
You don't mind?
Continue.
You don't mind?
We had a record.
Yo, yeah.
We have a record of what I got.
Yeah, man, you see that. Yeah, man, but we just show what going on in the community, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, well, you know.
If it longer it take to make the right turn there, it's better for you.
That's true.
Hope you not turn until the pass with smaller.
Yeah, because so far it shift to them say the Westmoreland to Hanover, man, to go
Right, because the first prediction was, for the first one was Manchester, then it moved from Manchester City.
Yeah. But it change, it all change still, you know. But we can't take this, you know, we can't manage it. We can't manage it. Well, continue to do your best, you know, because your best is good enough and you can't do more than what you can do. You've been serving the community with a great heart long time, so, you know what I mean? Just continue to do it still and I just try down and, you know, give a look of view to the fans and the friends them of what's happening, you know? Yeah, man, so look more. I hope you can get, some of the people walk up and get food still. No, man, you're not there, man. No. Yeah, man, you know? Well, you don't have to respect people's privacy. That's one of the lawman who's responsible. Is the soup of the bar station. Yeah, man, so, you know, he was giving us a hint that now the people who cook for them over there is not available to bring food because places are blocked off. So now he's worried because he's saying that he has inmates and that he need to feed. So I'm gonna have to find a way to get some pot or something and wake up some shopkeepers to get food for them. So, you know what I mean? But he's a great guy. He do a good work in the community, policing, about police station. You know, he's been doing a great job so far from what I've known and seen living here. So they have a good relationship with the community and the people of the community. So one up to him for that. Yeah, so share the life, people, share the life. So this is what's happening. I'm now on the road, showing you what is happening. People are now gathering at various points with their friends, discussing. Well, go on. So, yeah, this is what's happening now. So this is what's happening in the community now. I'm going to walk around the next back part and see what is happening on that side. Dele, me say you the other day dig out up there so make it not so flooded again. Yeah. Yeah, because you know this is the man named Dele. Him crawl up underneath anywhere to clean out the drainage then. And the drainage was right there where it was blocking up and causing a lot of water and sitting in the right there, so that's nothing couldn't pass. And him lie down on him belly is a good community youth. 2 days ago and take long shovel him and some youth and dig it out. You know what I mean? We couldn't even go over by the shop because it was flooded. But give thanks, Dele. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's Dele. Nah, man, Gabers. Yeah. Big yard fan, you know? Tap up the screen, people. Tap up the screen. Share the live. Share the live. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen. Passion. Look like you did at one place last night. Eh? You see your passion, you know, easy, you know. Time shoes late for me.
You have too much in my report.
You see how the people in the community are bad, nice.
You have to hang on, but...
You know what I mean? It's my brethren, you know, and
no, man, no,
show me how well my umbrella.
I will changa, you blow.
And think, My time, my lace to me, you know. Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, man.
Fleshy, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Changa Changa. Show up yourself, Jaman. That's cool. Watch you now. Watch you, they're beautiful. Oh my God. The peacocks and all of that. We have it here, you know. The community have bad. The ducklings and the peacocks, see them? Beautiful. I have to let them go. Tap up the screen, my people. Tap up the screen now, man. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen, people. Tap.
Wicked. Montego Bay. Thank you, Leah. Thank you. Me say me no know where. Me no know where Melissa ex-boyfriend or Melissa boyfriend. I don't know. No light generator. Thank you guys. Thank you, and I will. Thank you. Where JPS building tear down? Where you have light painted? Where? Then oh, that they jump and they don't move yet. They must put something in there. Thank you guys. Thank you, friends. Thank you for the roses. Oh, that they jump and they don't move. Something must in the door. This is Montego Bay. Guys, thank you for the prayer and the well wishes. Listen, you think the animals in no sense, then take cover. Then take cover. Thank you, Shaki, thank you. Animals, they have sense. Listen, some of them just left it off. After me dog them, then just left it off. Let me understand them. To it already, because if outside stays so, if outside going on like this, you want to tell me say no hit it? Look here, man, wanna stop trick me, wanna stop prank me. Calm down. I can't go sleep tonight with all of this. Thank you. What is that? The eye? Someone said the eye pass. Someone said the eye. Just don't run so serious.
The comments are move real fast. I can't reply to everybody. Just have to tell you. But this is what we are facing at Hanover right now, chat. Yeah. 2.1. Chat to the thing by 2 o'clock you win go cut for through. Chat to look like you win go cut by 2 o'clock for through, you know. Internet wire drop though. Oh. Internet wire drop though. Oh. Internet wire drop though. Oh.
Name again?
Gibson close, water.
Gibson close, water avenue, look. Water to roof height. Fireman up here to rescue work. People get trapped in a house.
Don't buy me cover now. Yeah, please. That's man. Everybody in that. Oh, my God. I'm next house. The back of this, you know. I see house there.
And the ground about this one next house that we can't even see.
Yeah, man, you can't see.
But you can imagine.
When you walk, the move out to me sitting there, man.
My God, my people. God, Lord. This is Sandy Bay and over. Sandy Bay and over. Montpeller. You guys, people, I can show you some. I can. Well, let me show you guys some more of the activity. Let me guys show you some more of the activity. I'm doing this like all here.
No, we can't have it to me. I'm going to dive off for you today. You have to come and dive off with me. You have to come dive off with me. You can't dive off, but you don't dive off with me. Come with me, go swim. Spanish town, it's a Spanish town. Come, chat, tap up his screen, chat. Tap up his screen. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, man, I want you that. Oh, man, I want you that. Hey. 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 Good God. Hey. In brave. In brave. Bumbo class, in brave. In brave. Chat, top of the screen, chat. Chat, top of the screen. Yeah, stay there. Top of the screen, chat. Chat, top of the screen. Rose, money gun the chat. I can't go on me yard, top of the screen, can't cross it. Come in chat, I cannot cross it, chat, on money gun the chat, oh God, man. Somebody can't send more of my life goal the chat, oh God, man, chat. Top of the screen. Hear there. How far? Please don't just see the wings.
No, St. Mary. Gotcha. Nice old vessel. Respect.
Hold him. The bowler man. Manga Akiwa. Let me war for you. Yeah. What am I war for? Hey boy, now you have to come here, Safa. A big head boy. A big mouth boy. you're there for. You got. Brother. Yeah. Mexico, jungle, Rima. Trenchtown is fucking festive. Aki and mangoes, blood. Yeah man, of course there. In the country long fucking time, fam. Yeah. Go on, cuz. Yo, clear the way, cuz. Clear the way. Yo, watch yourself, cuz. What? Bumbo clot. Bumbo. Yo, we not play. Fuck you. Put on the mask and go on over. Move your blood. Where? Bumbo clear, mama. Mama, are you them sick? Are you them sick? Alright, watch your car there. Fucking feminine, you need to go home.
Jungle, Rima, Trenchtown, on it, yeah. No, mango actual. Kingston, Jamaica. I'm gonna end the live right now because I'm not seeing any gift on the screen.
2 weeks. Can't believe the TV still works, for real. You can reply to some comments. I know they move so quick, don't they? Definitely picking up wind. You guys from the southwest? Yes, we are. Is it flood? It's starting to flood now. Wind's getting heavier. Thank you everybody for sending love. Yeah, that water's, oh, the gate just opened. And you come to,
I just want to piff it.
is the car park flooded? I can't,
We can't see the car park from
Can't really see it fall that back, but it does look like there's something happening.
Is this in Spain? And then, is this?
Is this in Spain? Does this look like it's in Spain? Spain's pitch black right now.
Is this a Bristol accent?
No, it's not.
I'm in the middle of Bristol and Gloucester. Apparently it's a cat fall now. Okay, that's good if it's calmed down.
You want to see the football? Oh, go on there.
Who wants to see the hotel snacks?
Jano star. What? The man said run to the bathroom. For a joker.
Only there 5 weeks ago.
At 4 o'clock.
Are you on holiday? Allow it, Sam.
This is your app.
We're not clear because you're holding it on there.
They're lucky we were blood clot doing this. But not clear.
Tourist privilege is crazy for real.
Tourist privilege. When I pay this money, I better get privilege. Someone said, can you send me $10 for food? I'm hungry. Yeah, so it go. You better go down ketchup and bread or something.
Yeah, you make me laugh when you're watching football.
Come on, auntie.
Yeah, that gate. See. I got a new respect for trees, honestly, because this one is standing its ground. I thought I pinned a message to say where we are, but maybe it don't pin for long. But I'm in Jamaica at the Riu Palace. We are being extremely careful by the windows. I didn't see a pin. Oh, it only pins. Okay. Are you locked in? Yeah, we've been on lockdown in the hotel since 9 PM last night. Or is that a walkway where the water is now flowing? Yep, so that's the entrance to the hotel out there. And it follows it through. all the way down here. Does the building feel solid? Absolutely. Like, this building was made for stuff like this. But it's just very sad that so many other buildings in Jamaica aren't. As long as people are being kept safe, absolutely. Surprised they didn't board up your windows. No, but they have boarded up all the like gaps outside, so like gaps like this on the other side, like where we enter our room. They've boarded all that up.
GP, Polly, some cold ass pasta and pizza, pure snacks. They gave us this. We know black money.
Yeah, this water really is insane. Like, this is the worst it's been now.
And I'm gonna sit that. Pardon me, pardon me, pardon me. You can actually hear it clearly. They said the Wi-Fi is crashing, but yeah, I'm getting blue ticks. But from the people,
What part of Jamaica is this?
There's someone on the balcony over there, sir.
Somewhere on the balcony?
Over there, sir.
Crazy people.
Crazier than you?
Yeah, because they actually out there on the balcony.
Gang shit.
I can't go up anymore, guys, anyway, because I'm on the highest floor.
Wait, no, to risk your life for TikTok.
Can't get up onto the roof.
You must be mad.
Weather map shows you are now in the middle from the storm. Thanks, Vienna.
We're in the middle of the storm. Bomba Club.
Is Grace still watching?
Yeah.
Hello, Grace.
So I'm giving like people's governments.
Balcony, there's supposed to be wind speeds. What are they doing? I know. For real. Like, I know I'm here, but at least I'm behind the window.